Unlock advanced analytics with Python integration in Power BI. Combining Power BI's powerful visualization capabilities with Python's robust data manipulation enhances analytical workflows, enabling businesses to extract deeper insights. Key benefits: enhanced data analysis. Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy enhance Power BI by providing advanced data processing and analysis features. Custom visualizations. With tools like Matplotlib and Plotly, users can create custom visualizations beyond Power BI's standard options. Predictive modeling. Machine learning libraries like scikit-learn also allow users to build predictive models directly in Power BI for deeper insights. Integrating Python enables predictive analytics, advanced data transformation, and text analytics, enriching insights. For successful implementation, optimize scripts for performance, implement error handling, document your code, and adhere to data security guidelines. Integrating Python with Power BI creates a powerful combination of advanced analytics and intuitive reporting, driving data-driven success. Connect with Random Trees today to learn more.